out there. Da, 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 da. I'm back. And these are my hands. Do, 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 do. My hands are a little dry. I should pull it. Oh, wait. I should roll up my sleeves a little bit. My sleeves aren't looking that great today. I need to wash this jacket. That's my favorite jacket. It's warm. It's like -2 outside and snowy. I completely forgot that I had did the BIN Buy It Now on Facebook for Nina Kittleson's Hole in the Wall Destash group. I've done unboxings for this channel. I've done unboxings on my channel for Nina's Hole in the Wall beads, and I just love everything I've got. She's got unique, fun stuff. And you guys, I'm going to leave her links and info below, and you should totally check her out. Just remember, you don't have to buy. You can just browse and see if you like it, and see what you think of the price points. I think the price points are pretty great. All right, you ready? You ready for this? Ready to get in this and unbox these beads? Are you? Oh my goodness. Let's get into them. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. These are huge. Oh my gosh, these look great with these scarves I hung up over my window. Oh my goodness. Mama. How many did I get? I got 4. Somebody might have been manic that day. I don't know who it would have been. I mean, I don't know who took control of my hands and my tablet and my bank account and PayPal and started BINing some materials. I gotta figure out who that person was that bought all these things. Oh my gosh, this is like not little, these are like giant crazy nugget jelly beans. Oh my gosh, these are so much fun. Are they not this fun and punchy and colorful and fruity? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm like losing my mind. I'm trying out a new microphone, so let me know what you guys think. It was a really inexpensive microphone, but gosh, the sound has been all over the place on my videos. Anyways, I love these. I don't know why I bought 4, but I'm glad I did, actually. Because then man, that green is so yummy. Okay, I know, I'm spending forever on these. I love these. I wonder if I can... Oh, I can't get it to turn back that much. Anyways, maybe at the end I'll try to see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh boy, guys. These are amazing. These are like a really rough Carnelian. And again, I bought a bunch of strands. Did I get 4 strands? I did. Oh wow. Sorry about that. I hit the camera tripod. Wow. Excuse me. I'm still dealing with health issues. It's been pretty rough. Okay, so yeah, this looks like Carnelian. It actually looks pretty natural. It's just, these were $3 a strand, which is a screaming deal. I love how earthy these look. What do you guys think? I love that rugged nature. Okay, okay. So yeah, like, look at that with that pendant. What do you guys think of that? And then like, even like you could have like this might be a little too dainty, but if this was that more hefty, oh, I don't know where that piece is. Oh, my room is in a mess. I got these off of Facebook, and I can't remember. Wait, not that one. These are different. Okay, this one's an odd duck out. Anyways, but I love the rugged nature of these beads. And I'm dropping beads. things up so I don't step on them. Okay, I love this. I have 4 strands at $3. That's amazing. That's an amazing amount of projects you can get out of it. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's not marked. And I try to like recycle these packing papers and foams and oh yeah, these guys. Oh, one guy fell out over here. I bought 4. I was like in a number 4 mode. What's going on with the number 4? Look at these. Oh, look at these agates. Oh, these are cool. They look with that carnelian. Oh my goodness. I am loving that. Those are pretty. Oh, this kind of matches the mat, I guess. Well, it's a little more green. Oh, I like those colors together. I got this at a thrift store. It was like a few cents. It had one of those like days off where days were certain amounts off the price of the whatever tag or something. Look at these. Look at all the different personalities you get depending on what's happening in the stone. It's got amazing banding. I am super impressed. Super impressed, Nina. I love your selection. I just love this. Okay, I'm taking a long time. Oh my goodness, I forgot about these. I love happy surprises that I forget about. Oh wow. So, sorry for that. I think this is like a black jade or something, carved melons. There's let's see. I have the hardest time using this because it's not that great. So about 14 millimeter, and then one at, I think she had more of these left too. When I saw these, I was like, I'm after those. About 10 millimeter. These are really beautiful. These are stunning. These great melon carved stone beads. They are very ice cold. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, these are showstoppers. These are amazing beads. Alright, and this is, oh shoot, is this like silver mist jasper? Sorry, keep hitting the camera. I hope you can still hear me. I just realized my voice was getting quieter. These are gorgeous. Wow. I mean, such a beautiful cut and polish and a nice bevel. I love these. Yeah, and they're a beautiful like gray with a little bit of yellow tones in some of them. They're very beautiful. And then some Dalmatian jasper stone. I'll just still call it Dalmatian jasper because that's what everybody calls it. And look at that. I love this stuff. I should have got more of these. But they are kind of small, for me at least. Oh boy. Oh. Alright, let's see. 4 times 5. So we got some crowbow style sandcast beads. Oh, did I really buy all these? Look at these. These are wild. These are really rustic. I love it. They're very rugged, but like fun. We'll play with that. Oh my goodness. Guys. Nina's got some amazing beads. Let's get this little packet open. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Oh, all this stuff I forget. It's a crazy lace agate point. really beautiful. I've been grabbing specimens here and there. I don't think this is treated with like a color enhancement. It's really gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous stone. Great selection, Nina. Okay, and this is the last. Gosh, this bag was heavy. I was so glad they left it on the porch, the host people. Excuse me. So I actually got 3 of these. So, yeah, I got a lot of these, and they're huge. These guys are, sorry, they're more rounded. Beads. They really kind of look like they've been tumbled before. I don't know. They got a really smooth edge. All my other crowbow style beads are like far away over there. That might be a problem with this mic. You may not be able to hear me. Ooh, look at the crazy lace agate with those beads. And then these. Look at these gorgeous beads. Yum 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 yum. I love that pop art almost design. The simple lines and colors. Oh, these are gorgeous. What a beautiful deep green. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Let's see what these look like. Those are pretty. These beads are pretty. Look at these. Ooh, it's a bunch of eyes. Bunch of eyes to protect you from evil spirits. This is how they mimic milleflora beads from Venice. And look at this green. The yellow stripes and red dots. Super cute. Oh my goodness, just 2 strands left. These beads are huge. These this is like a chunky. These little guys don't fit in. These, like, look at all these. Like, they're all like huge. They're just huge beads. Okay. Oh yes, I love blue and yellow. Blue and yellow just look beautiful together. And the last strand. Isn't that great? Oh my goodness, look at that. I hope you guys get some ideas when I at least throw beads together in my hands. Doing tutorials or just demos, man, that's a lot of editing and it's really exhausting, but I'm doing the best I can. I'm working on it. I love these beads. I'm absolutely enthralled with these beads. Like, yep, I don't regret any of this purchase. It's so heavy. I can't. What is this? Yeah. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'm just gonna take this off real quick and show you one of the curtains. Well, they're not curtains. Look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah. Okay. Sorry for moving the camera around like that. I hope you can hear me, and I hope I don't have to re-record this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what's going on. As again, I need to catch up with comments. I know I can't. I just need to catch up with comments. I just got to sit down and just suck it up and stop having this anxiety. I'll just be honest. I have a little anxiety because the cognitive issue. It's embarrassing to forget things in the middle of your sentence. It's like not fun, and people think you're an idiot, and it's like, but I'm having a hard time here. Maybe I am an idiot, but I'm not choosing to be an idiot. So it gives me some anxiety to communicate with people right now, like directly. I just, just being honest with you all out there. Again, thank you for your support, and if you've watched to the end of the video, you're super sweet, and thanks for putting up for videos that I show of my cats and stuff, but I I try to keep them relatively short. Anyways, love you guys so much. Check out Nina's page. I'm gonna leave all this stuff down there, like, you know, I do. If you have any questions, okay, I'm gonna see about editing this video now and then working on comments. Oh wow, I just love this. It's funny, like the one thing, and I love actually everything. Everything is so unique. Look at this one, this weird, not weird, just a little bit different design. So anyways, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you have a beady project or something creative you're getting to work on. I hope you get to have some fun food. So now February, I can't believe we're already in another month of 2022. I don't know where time has gone. I haven't been at work for like a month or something. Well, no, since, yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, these are kind of dusty. I love them. I love all these beads. They're all great. Check it out. Love you guys. Bye.